activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Licking County, Ohio. The child was last seen at 15 Messimer Drive in Newark, Ohio. The suspect is believed to be driving a 2006 silver Honda Pilot SUV with damage to the right front corner. Ohio license plate number KHE7597. The suspect has been identified as Siwak Tawari, a 19-year-old Asian male, 6 feet 0 inches tall, 120 pounds, with black hair. Last seen wearing a blue Batman shirt with black and red shorts. The abducted child is Lux Tawari, a 1-year-old Asian female with brown hair, last seen wearing a red flannel dress and white tights. Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect vehicle. This concludes the emergency alert system message.
Alright, so hopefully whoever the kid is gets found safe and